Well, now I want to look at the impact on Main Street. Our next guests are a mother and son team who own a Peruvian pastry shop just outside of Boston. They say rising costs and uncertainty are threatening their ability to share their heritage and their pastries with their community. Let's bring in Doris Montoya and Marcos Flores of Doris's Peruvian Pastries. So welcome, Marco and Doris. Really great to have you on. Doris, I'm going to start with you because rising rates are a problem, but I've talked a lot in the last year about rising electricity prices, energy costs, and labor issues. It feels like you're facing a squeeze between all of them.
Yes, definitely. That is hurting us because the prices on most of the ingredients, they went up crazily. That's so much. Some ingredients, they went up like 69%. Another one that is the cornstarch that we used a lot because it is the ingredient base in our alfajores. It went up to 107%.
Yeah, and even as you mentioned, the electricity went up by 60% in this upcoming year. So it's just been hitting us in all different ways, right? The pandemic may not be here as much as it was before, as far as where it was, but it's still hitting us in a very real way.
And this, Marco, is something that we have talked a lot about, or at least I have, about these energy costs, because even though the price of oil and gas have come down a little lately, you guys feel the lagging effect, do you not? If it's gone up for the last 12 months, you're going to pay it out for the next 12 months. Do you have any options to get cheaper energy, or is the bill you get the bill you're stuck with?
Yeah, unfortunately, that's been sort of the way that it is. It's based on where we live, and we sort of just have to, in a way, as they say, buy that bullet and continue to pay the high prices. Unfortunately, if we want to continue to run the business in the way that we are.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
No, Doris, please, we want to hear from you and how you're managing through this, because we want small business to succeed. And we know that some of your suppliers have shut down. My guess is employees are hard, if not impossible, to find. What's your plan?
Yeah, the electricity, talking about that, is going up 60%, as Marco said. And the oven that we use the most is with electricity. It's an electric oven, and it is really, I know that the gas is, the prices are coming down, but still, I don't know why other things are not coming down. We are going to be in the winter shortly, and that is going to kill us. It's crazy about the prices.
And you don't have any options. What do you? I don't want to make this political in any way, Marco, or maybe it's the weather, whatever you want to call it. What do you blame? What do you blame this on? Do you guys sit around the table and say, well, darn it, if this wouldn't have happened, then?
It's kind of hard to point fingers to something specifically. I just know that it was something that, as a country as a whole, we were not prepared for very clearly, and as a result, we see the impact of that. And we continue to see the ripple effects of it years later. So our hope was to be in a different place today. And although farmers markets and stores have opened up and we've seen some growth there, we are getting hit now from angles like real estate, even trying to move into a commercial kitchen. Like you mentioned, people not wanting to work, really not looking for work, or there's jobs out there, and we're trying to look for people to help out, but it's been very
Marco, where this is a story that we have talked about. We got to do more on CNBC. I'm just going to say this right now. We have to do more on CNBC on this. Where are the workers? I've traveled all over the country for the last 2 years, talked to small business owners, big in rural areas, urban areas. Where are the workers?
I wish I could tell you. Because we are looking for them. And I mean, we're offering, from our opinion, and based on the market, a fair and competitive compensation for helping out at farmers markets. And these are not necessarily difficult jobs either. And we think we're paying well, but it's just been difficult to find people to help out.
Give us your web address or your real address so we can come up there and we can support small. How do we find you? I'm going to come up there and gorge on Peruvian pastries.
Yeah, absolutely. Our website is www.dorisperuvianpastries.com, and we are based out of Marlborough, Massachusetts. So you can find it's a home bakery right now. And like I said, we're hoping to find some commercial space where we can shift our production into. But real estate prices right now, it just seems very difficult.
Yeah, and they're not. Our friend Tillman Fertitta, who, by the way, is the biggest restaurant owner in America, he was on in the previous hour, and he said even for him, the real estate, they wouldn't come down. It's tough. But we're rooting for you. You're the heartbeat of American business. Doris and Marco, we got to order some Peruvian pastries and support you. Thank you very much. Really, best to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.